Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best tools for your kitchen. Today, we're excited to introduce you to a must-have gadget for anyone who loves cooking: the Fullstar All-in-1 Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer. This versatile tool is designed to streamline your food prep and bring efficiency to your kitchen. The Fullstar All-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is truly an exceptional product, combining multiple functions into a single, compact device. It features 5 interchangeable blades, allowing you to slice, grate, and chop with ease. Whether you need thick or thin slices of vegetables, this chopper has you covered with its adjustable dial for precise thickness. But that's not all. This product also includes a bonus handheld spiralizer, making it easy to create beautiful spiral cuts for salads, garnishes, or even veggie noodles. This added feature allows for creative meal presentations, making your dishes not only delicious but visually appealing as well. Safety is a top priority when it comes to kitchen tools, and the Fullstar chopper excels in this area. With high-quality, razor-sharp stainless steel blades, it comes equipped with a finger guard and a protective glove to ensure your safety while slicing. The non-slip base adds stability during use, giving you confidence as you chop away. Plus, the entire unit is designed for easy cleanup. You can simply place it in the dishwasher, which saves you time and effort after a busy cooking session. One of the standout features of the Fullstar vegetable chopper is its functionality. It's not just a slicer or a chopper, it's an all-in-one solution for your kitchen prep needs. From making French fries to grating cheese or slicing vegetables for a stir-fry, this tool handles it all. The included catch tray is a game-changer, keeping your countertop clean and organized as you work. Say goodbye to messy prep work. This chopper is perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Its versatility makes it an essential kitchen companion, whether you're prepping meals for your family or hosting a dinner party. This tool adapts to your needs, ensuring you can create a variety of dishes with minimal effort. To wrap things up, the Fullstar All-in-1 Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its combination of functionality, safety features, and ease of use make it stand out among other kitchen gadgets. If you're looking to save time on meal prep and add some creativity to your cooking, this is the tool for you. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen product reviews and tips. Until next time, happy cooking!